What's up, world? It's your boy Mark Platt. Time to rise and fly.
Welcome back, Fly Squad. And for all those here for the first time, today we're flying by the theme parks of Tampa, Florida, starting with Busch Gardens, the flagship amusement park of the Tampa Bay area. With over 16 thrill rides, 7 restaurants, 4 live shows throughout, this is a place adventure seekers big and small will have no problem enjoying. Although there are more famous theme parks in nearby Orlando, Busch Gardens currently reigns as the roller coaster capital of Florida, having more than any park in the state. The park also houses one of the largest zoos in Florida with over 200 animal species that you can explore on safari, as open-air vehicles take you across 65 acres for close encounters with giraffes, zebras, and more. With plenty to choose from, the top contender for best roller coaster is the new Iron Gwazi that opened this year, also being the tallest at 206 feet and drops into a 91-degree free fall at speeds of 76 miles per hour. Shikra is another fan favorite, standing at 200 feet and drops straight down into a 90-degree plunge, not for the faint of heart. Next, we're off to Adventure Island, the #1 water park in the Tampa Bay area. Boasting 9 water rides, a wave pool, cliff jumps, waterfalls, and a lazy river, it's easy to catch some thrills while staying cool floating away among tropical surroundings. With rides like Solar Vortex, America's first dual tail spin water slide, among other high-speed slides reaching up to 30+ miles per hour, they're sure to inspire some excitement and keep you vibing. We hope you enjoyed this flyby over the theme parks of Tampa, Florida, and want you to continue following along on our journey. Also, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time.